Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. In today's video I will show you how to use Philips nose, ear and eyebrow trimmer. It's also called NT3000 series. Okay, so first of all, what you have to do if you want to use for your nose, you have to clean your nose first, and then you can simply use this part and insert into your nose no more than 0.5 centimeter. Okay, and then you can rotate it in circle and move around the border. Okay, you turn it on and then just move around, okay, your nose, okay, like that, in the circle. Okay, so it will trim your nose hairs. So if you want to clean your ears, you have to clean your ears first and then simply insert it in your ears no more than 0.5 centimeter, and then same way you can rotate it around your ears to trim your hairs. Okay, the other thing is it has the protection system. It does not cause any harm to your skin, okay, to your sensitive part. So you can see over here, if I if I turn it on and I use it and for my skin, it does not cause any harm, even like this. Okay, so it is completely protected. The other thing is, if you want to use it for the eyebrows, then it comes with two combs. So the combs are here, so one is large and the other one is small. Okay, so this is the small one, so you can see over here it's also written over here S. Okay, and you can see over here, and then if you want to put it on the trimmer, what you have to do, you see this angle over here, and then there is a gap over here. Just simply insert it like this over the top, and then just simply push it like that, and then once it clicks, it means it is ready. And then simply what you can do, turn it on and then simply move it like this, from outside towards inside to your eyebrows. So these combs are for eyebrows. And for the eyebrows, how you can use it, you see this picture, the arrow is going towards inside, so you have to use it like this against your hair growth for your eyebrow trimming. Okay, and this is the 3 mm, the small one. And if you want to use the other comb, which is the large one, it's also available. It's like this, so you see this is the large one. Okay, so this is 5 mm. Okay, so simply you can insert it like this. Okay, and then just click, and then simply you are ready to go. Okay, and then move it like this. Okay, to trim your eyebrows. Okay, and it also come with the battery. The battery is on the back side. Okay, so I will open it, just simply rotate it in anti-clockwise like that. So once it's like this, just you can pull it outside, okay, like this, and then you see the battery is over there. Okay, so this is your trimmer. Okay, and the battery is here. So this is how you can use the battery. You can take it out. It is the alkaline battery. Okay, and it's very durable battery. So if you want to insert it back, you see there is a picture also on this part. The plus sign is upward, so just use this plus sign upward and then just simply insert it. Okay, so now like this, and then simply insert it into your a trimmer like this, and then just simply rotate it and then just push it like this, and then it is ready to use. If you see this arrow with this circle, it means it is completely closed. The battery is ready, the trimmer is ready. Now you can simply turn it on and it will work. Okay, and the other thing is, if you want to remove this comb, simply just make it like this. Okay, and it will come out. Just move it upward and then it will come out. Okay, and if you want to clean it, you can put it under water as well. So you can turn it on and off, so it will completely clean. So they have a stainless steel blades. Okay, and this double-sided precision blade cut quickly and conveniently. And the you can see over here, this is a texture handle. Okay, it gives you a good grip even if it is wet. Okay, so you can see it's give you a good grip. Okay, and it also come with a travel bag. If you are traveling, you can insert it in your travel bag. Okay, so you can see over here, you can simply insert it like this. Okay, it will go completely inside, and then just simply you can do it like that. So this is the other thing. If you want to remove this part for cleaning the hairs inside, you can also do it. You just simply see this arrow and there is other arrow. You just have to combine them, just rotate it, okay, and then simply move it upward and it will come out. And then simply with a brush you can clean your hairs. Don't put you don't need to put any kind of oil or anything, no need to put, okay, it will work completely fine. And if you want to put it back, so just simply see this arrow, just combine these two arrows and then just simply rotate it, okay. So now it is ready to use, okay. This is all for this Philips NT3000 series. It is also called as NT3650. You can see over here NT3650/16. So it comes with 2 years of warranty, okay. It's also written over here with 2 years guarantee, and this is the box. This is how it looks like, okay. So you can see over here, and then here you see the picture for nose, ear, and this is for eyebrows, okay. So this is for today's video. I hope you like the video, I hope you enjoy the video. So please do subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you very much.